oftentimes those meetings get derailed, and they get derailed fast, and then you're 20 minutes into it and nothing gets accomplished. The words that you need to come out of your mouth after "great to see you," right? Be nice, but the words need to, man, I'm so glad we're having this meeting. You know, Jason, what is the most important thing that we need to accomplish during our 20 minutes today? And then shut up. We're afraid to ask that because just like using the word just, we don't have confidence as salespeople, and we think we should just show up and be really nice and good things will happen. That's not being respectful of their time. And when I walk into Jason's office, "Jason, looking good, great to see you, love what you guys did with the fish tank, it's awesome, it's amazing. It's always so great to be here. Hey, before we get started, Jason, we got 20 minutes together. What's the most important thing we need to accomplish?" You are going to be shocked at how often they go, "Listen, here's the deal. I have a nanny situation at my house. Apparently, my wife has hired like the nanny from hell. My kids have texted me 19 times today. They said there's some sort of fire. I want to get home. I also want to upgrade my software with you guys. What do I need to sign? What do I need to do? If you could get me out of here 10 minutes earlier, that would be fantastic." You're going to be shocked when you say, "What's the most important thing we need to accomplish?" They'll actually tell you. And in most cases, when somebody took a meeting with myself or Dave or Jason, there was something on their mind that they wanted to ask us. Let's stop tiptoeing around that and come right out and say it. What's the most important thing? The worst that's going to happen is they're going to go, "You know what, Jason? We just love seeing you around the office. You know, we just wanted to check in, see if there was anything new." Right? And then Jason can still be, even when you say new, "Can you give me a specific example of what you were hoping to see?" "Well, yeah, you know, payment velocity, that's something I know you had brought up last time. We didn't seem interested in it, but Tony keeps bringing that up." "Well, can you give me a specific example of what Tony's been saying?" Now that's an effective meeting. You all are in control of your own lives. Take that control. I trust you. Start trusting yourself. What's the most important thing we need to accomplish in these 20 minutes? It will really, really help you out.